This 4,000 square foot single-family residence, originally conceived as a refuge from urban life, is nestled within the rolling hills of the San Bernardino National Forest. Wild Lilac sits atop a sloped terrain with western-facing views, offering a softer, more natural perspective of the undeveloped San Bernardino Valley, which lights up with the magnificent glow of the California desert's golden hour, radiating orange rays directly toward the residence. The open layout of the home was created using a series of thickened walls, cast-in-place concrete slabs, and retractable windows and doors that can be pocketed into the walls, providing a more minimal and unobstructed view. The intention was to allow the surrounding environment, the flora, fauna, and ecology that existed before the construction, to embrace the home. The careful approach to working with forms resulted in a modern house that feels less intrusive to the natural environment. The living spaces, which run east to west along the dramatic mountainous terrain, position the residence to maximize the discreet yet impactful views, while also protecting the interior from harsher environmental factors, such as direct sunlight from the rising and setting sun. The residence includes a 3-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a fluid living dining kitchen area with glass doors that open to the pool to the east, the sunset over the valley to the west, anchored by a fireplace that serves both the indoor and outdoor spaces. The pool house is located a few steps higher, positioned on the slope, and opening onto the pool and outdoor living area just below. The lap pool, which also runs east to west like the sun, is situated between the 2 structures, adding a layer of separation and unity between the living spaces. The thickened walls successfully demarcate the more private areas of the residence. A simple palette of gray plaster and cast-in-place concrete, along with natural materials and minimal landscaping, blends seamlessly with the native shrubs and the colors of the desert sky.